Hi everyone, my name is Shubhodis Shah. Welcome to our YouTube channel Helm of Science. Today I am going to discuss about the reaction intermediate. Now see, the reaction intermediate is not only in class 11 or not only in class 12. This is a major topic in class 11 and class 12 both. Fine. Now this is also important. Actually, rather I can say this reaction intermediate class is mainly based on your competitive purpose. The direct question of reaction intermediate, that may be carbocation, carbanion, and free radical, is directly asked in JEE Main and Advanced and also NEET exam. So, or one case, or one mainly case, suppose some organic reaction is going on. So how the reaction is going on, how the product will appear, which product will be major, which product will be minor, that all the reaction in organic chemistry is controlled by this reaction intermediate. So listen very carefully. This is the most important class of any organic chemistry, and it will help you class 11, class 12, advanced, and most important, to understand the actual organic chemistry, what the organic chemistries happen. To know the reaction intermediate is a very important topic. So take a copy or notebook and note down everything which I will deliver to you, and listen very carefully, thoroughly. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to start the reaction intermediate. So now I am going to start reaction intermediate. Reaction intermediate. Now look at very carefully. Look at very carefully what the things we have to study in reaction intermediate. First reaction intermediate, and the most important reaction intermediate in number 11 and 12, that is carbocation. Second one is carbanion. Third one is free radical. Fine. And fourth one is also again important, that is carbene. These are our four important reaction intermediate in our organic chemistry. There are other organic reaction intermediate is there, that is nitrogen benzene, but that nitrogen and benzene is not too much included in our syllabus. So I will discuss another class when the reaction needed some that kind of nitrogen and benzene reaction, but we have to focus more or less these four reaction intermediate. So these four reaction intermediates is very important. So I am going to start with carbocation. Fine, then I will go one by one. So now my first question was how a carbocation will arise. Suppose this is a simple saturated alkane. Okay, fine. This is a simple saturated alkane or hydrocarbon. If we release this H plus, if we substitute H by X, where X is any electronegative atom, any electronegative, X is any electronegative atom, then what happened? One hydrogen is substituted by X. Fine. Now in this case what happened? The electronegativity of carbon is less than electronegativity of X. It is very obvious, because X may be electronegative atom, or I can say suppose it is a halogen. Suppose X is a chlorine. So what happened? Now in this case the electronegative atom try to take the electron density towards itself. So by this reaction a ion pair will produce. So a ion will produce. What is the ion? In this case one X minus is produced, that is obvious. This X minus will produce, that is obvious, because X is a more electronegative than carbon, and a CH3 plus will also produce. Now this CH3 plus is a carbocation. So how this carbocation is formed? I can say this X is a more electronegative than carbon. Fine. This X is a more electronegative than carbon. So X try to pull the electron density or electron pair from the carbon. How? Heterolytically. This bond will fully break. So this break or cleavage is maybe called heterolytic this is may cause heterolytic cleavage. By heterolytic cleavage, this carbocation will produce. Fine. Now, very carefully. Now, I have to now discuss the what is the first. I have to discuss the what is the characteristics of CH3 plus or carbocation. Now, I am removing this one. Okay, fine. Now, very carefully. Okay, what is the characteristics? Characteristic of carbocation. Now, very carefully. This is a carbocation. How many electrons is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first is this is a 6 electron species. This is a 6 electron species. So now, if this is a 6 electron species, it want to grab 2 more electron to complete it octet fill up. So this carbocation, I can say this is a electron deficient species also. Electron deficient species. Fine. Now third one. There is no unpaired electron is present. There is no unpaired electron is present. So any species that does not contain any unpaired electron, what is called? It is magnetically, its magnetic nature is diamagnetic. So a carbocation is a diamagnetic in nature. Very, very important point there. Fine. This is a diamagnetic nature. Now, what is the stereochemistry? What is the hybridization of next important point? What is the hybridization of carbocation? Now, look. In calculation of hybridization, we only consider the sigma bond. There is 1 sigma bond, there is 2 sigma bond, there is 3 sigma bond. That means this is sp2 hybridized. So the a carbocation is sp2 hybridized. Exceptional always occur, but I will go after some minute of the sp2 hybridized carbocation. I will go after this one. So mainly this is a sp2 hybridized orbital have, and this is a carbocation is sp2 hybridized. So what is the 0.6 electron species? It has a vacant orbital. That means it is an electron deficient species. There is no unpaired electron. That is why it is a diamagnetic in nature. And this is sp2 hybridized. Now look at very carefully the orbital picture. sp2 hybridized means what is sp2 hybridized? That means a planar structure. Fine. So there is a plane. Fine, there is a plane. There is a plane. So this is carbocation and this is sp2 hybridized. That means there is a vacant p orbital is present. That may be px or py or pz, but there is a vacant p orbital is present. So I can say there is a vacant p orbital is present. Very important, again very important. Vacant p orbital present. Now, due to vacant p orbital or electron deficiency, it acts as an electrophile. What is does my mean by electrophile? Electrophile, I will go the details explanation of electrophile. I will give a when I will give a lecture on reaction mechanism. But now, for some time, what is electrophile? Electro means electron, phile means lover. So due to the deficiency or the vacant p orbital, this is a electrophilic nature. This carbocation is electrophilic in nature. This carbocation is electrophilic in nature. This carbocation is electrophilic in nature, and this carbocation have a vacant p orbital. They are the main important fundamental point of or characteristics of any carbocation. Everybody, I think everybody will understand it. Now I am writing it, and now I am going to a slight discussion of two types of carbocation. Carbocation mainly classified by two. I am mainly have discussed about the classical carbocation. And in our syllabus, mainly classical carbocation is present. Classical, and another is non-classical. In case of classical carbocation, this is sp2 hybridized, and non-classical carbocation is sp3 hybridized. A classical carbocation, a very important point, the classical carbocation octet incomplete. I have shown you octet incomplete, and this is octet complete. When I will give you study lecture on the addition reaction, anti-addition of bromine and addition of bromine addition reaction, then we will understand betterly what is non-classical carbocation. But in mainly we have the classical carbocation. So this is octet incomplete and this is octet complete. So which one is more stable? Always remember, non-classical carbocation is more stable than classical carbocation. This is a very important point. Note it down properly. Carbocation. Non-classical carbocation is more stable than classical carbocation. This is a very important point. Now this is enough for non-classical carbocation. I will not discuss much more than non-classical carbocation. When I will discuss the addition reaction, then we will discuss the non-classical carbocation briefly, why it is octet form freedom, how it is sp3 hybridized, and I will discuss further later. Fine. Now I am going to discuss about the hybridization of carbocation details. What is the electronic configuration of carbon? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2. This is our electronic configuration. Now I only consider the valence shell, that is 2s2 and 2p2. This is in a ground state. This carbon is in ground state. Now this, if it's excited, in excited state of carbon, what happens? This electron goes into the sp orbital. Fine. Now very carefully. In case of CH3, suppose Cl, what happens? One hydrogen donates its electron like this. One hydrogen, it donates this electron like this. One hydrogen is donates this electron like the opposite spin, and one halogen atom is donates this electron in opposite spin. Okay, fine. Now what happens in case of carbocation? This Cl is push the electron heterogeneically towards itself. Then what happens? It is remain as it is. This is one CH bond. This is one CH bond, and this is also one CH bond. And due to the heterolytic cleavage of Cl bond, this p orbital is vacant. It is an important hybridization. This p orbital is vacant. Fine. This is the actual hybridized. This is the actual concept of hybridization. How the sp2 hybridization is coming, that I am show you. Fine. Now what is the, now I am going to discuss about the stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. This is also important. 2 or 3 questions will come directly from the stability of carbocation, and this will the control actually the major product and minor product of any reaction. I will go after this stability. I will discuss later. Fine. Now, what is the carbocation is? I was discussed that a carbocation is a electron deficient species. Carbocation is an electron deficient species. Fine. Now, if carbocation is electron deficient species, then what happens? So it want to have any electron donating species. That is correct. What does it means? Because if you have you are hungry, then what is the main need of you? You need some food, someone or something donate a food. Here, food means electron. The carbocation is greedy or hungry of electron. So, if any electron donating group is present, then it will be very much beneficial. So, carbocation always needs some group which have a electron donating power. Now, it is carefully, it is very clearly that the stability of carbocation, how the stability of carbocation will arise? By the electron donating group. Now, electron donating group. Now, what are the electron donating group? The electron donating group can be classified by three parts. What are the three parts? First one is plus I effect, second one is plus R effect, and third one is plus H effect. They all have electron donating property. Understand? They all have electron donating property, plus R have electron donating property, plus H have electron donating property, and also the plus I also electron donating property. So I can conclude that the system, the carbocation containing plus I, plus R, plus H is stable, or I can conclude plus I, plus R, or plus H. Very important note. Stabilize the carbocation. Plus I, plus R, and plus H stabilize the carbocation, and minus I, minus R, and minus H unstabilize the carbocation. This is the main important phenomena. When you will see the plus I, plus R, or plus H have containing in a carbocation, then you will understand that carbocation is stable. Now this is a very important note. Note it down. Then I will go example by example on the stability of carbocation. Fine. Note it down. First, I am discuss the stability of these 5 carbocation. Listen very carefully. CH3, CH2 plus B, CH3, CH, CH3 plus C, CH3, C, CH3, CH3 plus D, CH2 double bond C, that CH2 double bond C, single bond CH2 plus. Fine. And lastly, CH2 double bond CH plus. Now, very carefully. This is 1 degree. This is 2 degree because this carbocation is surrounded by 2 carbon atom. That is why this is 2 degree. And this carbon is attached with 3 CH3 or 3 carbon group. That is why it is 3 degree. Or can you call it tertiary carbocation is isocarbocation, and this is a primary. Now look at very carefully. Which is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 3 degree. Now look at very carefully. If the carbocation is present after a double bond system, that carbocation is called allylic carbocation. Allylic carbocation. This is a allylic carbocation. This after this group, any carbocation or any radical or anything or any anion, that this position is a allylic position. The position after a double bond, that is allylic position. Lastly, what is the position? If any positive charge, anything present on the carbon which is attached to the direct double bond, that is called vinyl position. Vinylic, that is a vinylic carbocation. This is a vinylic carbocation. Now I am going to discuss the stability. Now very carefully. This and this. It has 2 plus I effect of 2CH3 group. Okay, this has only 1 plus I effect. Now this carbocation has 2 alpha hydrogen, and this carbocation has 3 and 3 and 1 3 sorry alpha position, that is 3 3, this 6 alpha hydrogen, and lastly this is surrounded by 3 3 3 9 alpha hydrogen, and also this is attached by 3 plus I effect group, 3 plus I effect group. So in between that, A and B and C is more stable than B, than A. Fine. Now coming back to this D and E. This is the alpha position, nearest alpha position. This has 3 hydrogen, this has 3 hydrogen. That is why 6 alpha hydrogen, it has 9 alpha hydrogen, and it is 3 alpha hydrogen. It's pretty clear. Fine. Now this one. If you look at this, I am rubbing this and properly write it down. If you have written the LID, now look at very carefully. This is a resonance stabilized carbocation. This carbocation is resonance stabilized. So what happened? There are 2 resonating structure, and it is an equivalent resonating structure. That is why it is a very much stable. Allylic carbocation is more stable among this one. So D. Lastly, in this case, the carbocation is directly on the double bond. Now this is sp2 hybridized. Okay, this is sp2 hybridized. I have told you that the carbocation which is present to the sp2 hybridized, that is too much unstable, because sp2 hybridized has an electronegative in character, and the positive charge carrying an electronegative part which is very much unstable. That is why the E is least stable among these 5. This is the stability order. I think this is, you all are understand about the basic fundamental structures of the carbocation. Fine, properly note it down. Now I am going to discuss the special carbocation, that is benzylic carbocation. This is called benzylic position bond. This position which is attached with the aromatic group, that is called benzylic or benzene ring. Benzylic carbocation. Fine. This is benzylic carbocation. Now what? Very carefully. This bond will grow like this. Then what happened? This carbon, now this carbon, look at very carefully, this bond will donate to this carbon, and the deficiency of carbon is removed, and now this carbon is electron deficient, that is plus. Fine. Now this bond will go, and what happened? Here the carbocation is now arise. In this position the carbocation is arise again. Now this one, sorry, this one, and this, in this position carbocation is arise. Sorry. In this position is carbocation is arise. In this position the carbocation is arise. Now finally we get the carbocation again, but the position of, look at very carefully, the position of double bond is changing. Fine. Let it then. Now mainly discussion is that this carbocation is too much stable. That is one, two, three, four resonating structure. That is why if you have any benzenic carbocation that is too much stable, so the system, the carbocation have this benzene ring too much, the stability of carbocation is more. Suppose if we have, now I am writing it down properly and listen very carefully. pH CH2 plus, this is A, pH CH plus, and this is B, C 3pH plus. Now this is benzenic carbocation, this is benzenic carbocation, this is also benzenic carbocation, but this carbocation has only one benzene group, and this carbocation two benzene are attached with two benzene ring, and this carbocation is attached with three benzene rings. So which one is more stable? This one is more stable because it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 3, 12 resonating structure. That is why this is carbocation is too much stable. That is actually the stability order. C greater than B greater than A. Sorry, I routed down it here. Fine. C greater than B greater than A. That is why this carbocation is too much stable. Fine. How this is how the carbocation and benzenic carbocation is stable. Now look at listen very carefully. I am rubbing it down and I have to note it down properly. This benzenic carbocation is more stable than allylic carbocation and also tertiary carbocation. Fine. This benzenic cation carbocation is more stable than allylic and also as well as tertiary carbocation. This is the stability order. Fine, write it down properly. Now there is the exceptionally stable, that is more stable than a benzenic carbocation. Look at it very carefully. This is cyclopropyl ring and this is carbocation. In this cyclopropane ring, very carefully, the orbital is like banana shape. This is why this is called banana bond. Okay, this is banana bond. Now this carbocation is stabilized because this is a field orbital. This field orbital will donate its electron density direct to this carbocation, and it is the most stable carbocation. Very carefully write it. It is most stable carbocation among all the carbocation. When you get this one, this is a banana bond. This is a vacant p orbital. This is a fully filled p orbital, that is banana shaped. This p orbital donates its electron density to this carbocation. That is why this is the most stable carbocation. Fine. Now this is the all stability of carbocation. I am solving 2 or 3 questions about the stability of carbocation. Fine. Okay. Now this is the first question. Now listen very carefully. Look at very carefully and listen also. This carbocation and this carbocation is stabilized by resonance, but there is no resonance. There is only present a plus I effect, and we know that the order of R greater than H greater than I. The resonance has higher effect than hyperconjugation, and hyperconjugation is higher effect than resonance. Okay. Sorry, inductive effect. Hyperconjugation is higher effect than inductive effect. This is the order. Now these two have plus R effect, and this there is no plus R effect. That is why the C is least stable. Fine. Now between this and this, both has plus R or resonance effect, not mesomery. Plus R resonance effect. Okay, fine. Now this carbocation is attached with this 3H3 group, which is actually have a plus I effect, and also this is the alpha position. That means 3 alpha H is extra in this carbocation is present. That is why A is more stable carbocation, then B, then C. I am repeating again. These both have a plus R effect, and there is only plus I effect, and due to having only plus R effect, this is the least stable, and there is too much equally stable in respect of plus R effect. And finally, this CH3 group has plus R I effect and also 3 alpha hydrogen. That is why A is more stable than B and C. Fine. Now, this is our question number 2. In these all cases, they all are benzylic carbocation. They all are benzylic carbocation. It is very careful. Okay. Now, in B, there is group present, that is nitro. In C, hydroxyl group, OH group, and in this case, a halogen is present. Now, this NO2 group has two effects, that is minus R and also minus I. Fine. This NO2 has two effects, that is minus R and minus I. This OH has plus R effect. It donates its electron towards the benzene ring, and this is have minus I effect. Fine. I know that in case of benzene ring, in case of halogen does not show R effect, it will predominantly show I effect. That is why chlorine is electronegative atom and it is show minus I effect. Clear? Now, and there is no effect. Fine. Now, I have told you carbocation or any positive charge is unstabilized by the minus R, minus H and minus I group, and carbocation is stabilized by plus I, plus R and plus H group. Now, in this case, this is too much unstable because here plus R effect is also present and minus effect I effect is also present. But in this case, only minus I effect present. That is why B is least stable. Okay, because of both two effect minus I and minus R. Then D. Fine. Now between A and C, A is no effect, but OH has a plus R effect. It donates its electron density towards the benzene ring. That is why in this case C is more stable than A. This is our stability order. Again repeating again. This has minus R, minus I. That is why it is least stable. It has minus I, then it is slightly stable. Then it has no effect. That is why it is between C and D. And lastly, OH has plus R effect. That is why this carbocation is too much stable. I think you understand it now. Here, very good. Now, this is our third problem, and maybe this is the last problem of stability of carbocation in this class. Then I will give you a homework problem. Okay, fine. Now look at this carefully. These all are benzylic carbocation. Fine. Now, these show only plus I effect, and it will show plus R effect, and also it will show plus R effect. So it is very clear that C is least stable among A, B and C. C is least stable among A and C. Now look at very carefully. Old concept is now arising. This has plus R effect, this has also plus R effect. So how can we distinguish which carbocation is more stable? Now, I have told you, in case of element of 2p orbital, that means oxygen, is attached with the R group, then its minus I effect is more than OH. The minus I effect of OH3 is more than minus. This is the critical one, problem one. This types of problem is coming in, will come on IIT or exams or mains exam or NEET exam. Find very carefully. Minus I effect of OCH3 is greater than OH. We know that because oxygen is a group of element 2, and if a group of element 2 is attached with the R group like NR3 is more minus 4 more minus I effect than NH3. Why? This N and this O has a group of period 2 element. This is the element of period 2. That is why they show minus I effect. That is why this is slightly unstable due to the more minus I effect. So the stability order is, this is a very important problem. A less than B less than C. Now I think it is a very understandable to all of you. This is a very important problem. Now lastly, what are the reaction involving carbocation? First one is, that is a necessity of study the carbocation. That is SN1, nucleophilic substitution 1, E1 reaction. Thirdly, the addition reaction of alkene, or addition reaction, that is means HX addition, water addition, X2, that means electronegative addition. In this case, non-classical carbocation will arise. I will show you. I will give a lecture on reaction mechanism. Fine. HX, H2, X2, there are formed carbocation. It may be classical and non-classical. Fourth, most important, most of the students do wrong in last case, that is rearrangement. Very important. All are important. Rearrangement, this it will cover 11 12 both class, JEE main class. Without these four you will not study, you cannot study the organic chemistry. Rearrangement reaction, these four are very important. We will go discuss detailed discussion, but without, when I will give a lecture of this carbon, then I will not tell you which carbocation is stable, because I have given a very brief lecture on carbocation, but then I will show you how the major or minor product will arise. So these are the main four reaction involved in carbocation. Fine. So my homework problem is, write it down, and my homework problem is, this is a benzylic carbocation, NO2 in para position, in meta position, and ortho position. Fine. This is a stability. Find out the stability order of this carbocation. This is a homework problem. If you have any problem, ask me comment section. So this is enough for today. So today I have discussed what is carbocation, how carbocation is arise, then the characteristics of carbocation. Third one is the structure of carbocation. Fourth one is the stability of carbocation, and last one is reaction involving carbocation. This video of carbocation is enough for 11, 12 and any competitive exam. Listen and note it down properly. This will help you a lot. Thank you. Keep practicing.